Shane hates the color red. So today we're gonna be switching his red taillights to white ones because he thinks that white is right.
Shout out to Lethal Performance. I ordered this shit Monday and they came Wednesday.
Whoa.
Free shipping. And they were the only site running a sale on these.
How much did you pay for them?
500. Any other website was 650.
Ooh.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so what we did learn a couple minutes ago is that the entire rear bumper has to come off, which is very unfortunate.
The S650, you don't need to take off the rear bumper. But Ford decided to spice things up and
make everything harder.
yes, they love it. And they love it. And I love it. And they love it.
And I love it.
Love that. I love that. I love that. I love that so much.
There's
Underneath.
7mm bolts that need to be
7mm bolts, where are they?
I don't know,
Where
but
are
my
they?
ratchet's ready to go. Is that a 7mm on my electric ratchet right
Oh
there?
my god! I have never used this before.
Bro.
You know what's crazy? Everything I've done on my car, I've had to use a ratchet. This
Or a performance shop.
is crazy to me.
Shout out Milwaukee.
This is like giving a Amish kid electric tools right now. You see the videos on TikTok where they're like, to the Amish people, they're like, dude, in Australia, there's a zombie apocalypse right now. So basically we were taking off my...
Camera's over here.
So basically we were taking off... we were taking off my rear... It's the skid plate, protection skid plate.
Yeah, we're just taking the bottom bolts off the bumper.
Bottom
I guess
bolts
it's a skid
off
plate.
to take off the bumper. And then I need the trim remover.
There we go. Why would they do it like that though?
Because it's Ford.
How's my form?
Looks great, dude.
See this piece?
Here's the eight.
Yeah. It's like 2 bolts. You just take it off.
the bracket.
Hold up, Sal.
Did he get the white piece? Or is that what he's still working on?
Yeah, we're getting that off now. Wait, Sal. Yo, just fucking punt this shit. This is the cool part. I can have either an amber or a red turn signal by unplugging or plugging one of those in. And then the other one, there's a startup sequence. So when I unlock or when I remote start or get close to it, it goes do 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 do.
That was total chiropractor.
How'd you shove it in that hole?
So you basically just...
Well, I just shoved it in the hole. Exactly what you just said.
So it took us literally 30 minutes to get this one on.
Quick tip, if you ever decide to install these, there's a little top hat piece is what we were calling it.
This part right here.
This. And basically to manipulate it in there, we took this off, shoved it in, and then put it back on. They turn on, that's for
There
sure.
we go.
Whoa.
They look good.
Dude,
Come
that's
here.
Sick.
They're cool though, right?
They do look good. The amber is definitely the move.
Successfully installed the clears. How long did it take?
Hour and change, maybe? Hour and a half,
Probably
maybe?
an hour and a half.
We also suck, so.
3 hours.
All right, bro, relax.
Alright, did it actually? 5 and 8 now. Alright, so it took 6, 7. Turns out really good. And also thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed our install. We are trying to push more IRL content.
Yes, big on that.
Yeah, big on that. If you guys like it, comment how you feel. How you feel about this, or you guys like the games, the Facebook Marketplace Masters.
Yup.
But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
But
You don't have to.